Hello friends, so in this video we will be looking at how to install GitHub desktop in our Windows 11 machine. I have just typed GitHub download for Windows and found this first GitHub desktop link, download GitHub desktop link, and I will sign into GitHub. Now to install Git, we will go to this link, GitHub. Okay, I'll keep it as it is. Next. Okay, next. Okay, now I'm able to do I'm able to execute the git commands. Let me see. It should have been updated over here also. Okay, cancel in this path. And if you see in environment variables, this new git will also be added. So that's why we are able to execute the git commands from our CMD. That's all. Thank you. So in this video, we have seen how to install Git and GitHub desktop, and that's all.